The smartphone market will turn upside down. Tesla Model Pi by Elon Musk is coming. The world has not yet had time to move away from Tesla's smart car, and recently Elon Musk amazed everyone with the launch of the Tesla Model Pi. When is the release date? What's the functionality? We will answer all these questions and others. Tesla Model Pi by Elon Musk. Appearance, features, safety. Tesla is an automobile company that began its existence in 2003, and the main shareholder is Elon Musk. 2020 has become a landmark year in the life of Elon Musk. SpaceX, which he heads, has entered into a lucrative contract with NASA. Then Elon Musk became famous for the launch of the Crew Dragon spacecraft. On June 10, 2020. 2021 did not pass by Elon Musk. Every day in search engines, people ask the same question: is Tesla releasing a phone? Yes, we will see Elon Musk's smartphone soon. This year the company officially showed off the Tesla phone. According to the Chinese edition of My Drivers, the gadget will be called the Tesla Model Pi. Experts believe that if the smartphone hits the market, it will be a real gadget revolution. Researchers of the smartphone market predict a severe drop in sales for competitors. Unfortunately, the release date of the Tesla smartphone is kept secret by the company. However, the features and appearance of the gadget are already known today. Tesla Model Pi design. Tesla's smartphone designer is Antonio De Rosa, an expert who has created exciting concepts for Apple products. The designer will make the phone in honor of Tesla and Starlink SpaceX. Features of Tesla Model Pi. When creating a smartphone, the developers used modern Tesla technologies. The phone will support Starlink satellite internet. The developers will declare that the data download speed will be up to 210 megabits per second. The phone will support Neuralink technology, which will read information from the head brain. The developers declare that in cases of injury, users will replace some of the brain functions. Such words sound like something from a movie about the future and cause delight. Users can use smartphones to mine Mars coin cryptocurrency. Thus, people will be able to earn virtual money by mining on their phones. The smartphone will be able to sync with other Tesla devices. Tesla Model Pi security. We mentioned that the smartphone would support the internet Starlink. This information is enough for us to assess the safety of the Tesla Model Pi. If you are planning to buy a smartphone and connect to Starlink, you need more serious protection. For example, you can use a no-logging VPN. Experts point out such VPN advantages as numerous. Here are just a few of them. The ability to browse websites anonymously. Encryption of a real IP. Blocking harmful ads. Security of connecting to a free internet. You can also disable GPS on your smartphone and use antivirus software. Undoubtedly, the idea of the billionaire and genius Tesla, Elon Musk, is different from today's smartphones. This is evidenced by the design and capabilities of the smartphone. However, it would be worthwhile to implement software and hardware encryption to protect users from hacking. We hope that Elon Musk will take this problem into account and bring the idea to perfection.